Hello everyone. So today I am going to walk you through an Excel format by which you can perform a comparative gap analysis, and not only that, I'll be also explaining what are the uses of this data and how you can utilize those for a better SEO journey. So come, let us find out. So as you can see the Excel, the first thing is you can make a copy of this sheet. If anyone needs that, you can email us at info@data.co. And so starting with the thing, so you can head over to moz.com/researchtool.ose, input the comparators domain and then click on linking domains in the left panel. Export the reports in .csv and paste into the backlink import comparator 1 to 4 tabs marked in red. And then repeat the process for comparators 2 to 4, repeat the process for your own website. And now in the backlink gap analysis, the tab marked in green should be fully populated. Right click on the backlink import tab marked in the red and hide them to clean up your sheet. Now keyword gap analysis, you can use semrush.com. You can simply go to Semrush and find that out. You can just put down the data, export the thing. You can just paste the results in the keyword import comparator, request the process for the comparator 2 to 4 and repeat the process, and now you have the data in front of you. Now moving to the second tab, keyword insight. As you can see, you can get all the SEO metrics, traffic and visibility, inbound links, content, paid traffic, backlink gap analysis and keyword gap analysis value. Then the audit data. So as you can see, the categories, we have already labeled the categories. So we have performed, so our website here was dailysydneytours.com, and we had couple of the comparators, as you can see from the other column. So we have all the data out here. So from this data we can make a lot of the judgment about the type of the content, the traffic and the visibility, the SEO metrics and all sorts of other factors as well. Then comes the backlink gap analysis. Now in here we have the list of all the backlinks that is being combinedly used by all the comparators, and as you can see we have the backlink stats as the domain score and also all the comparators which have a backlink from that particular thing. Now this is very important because from here you can also build out the backlink from the other websites where you do not have a backlink. If it is for free, then you are in luck. If it is not, then you can reach out to them for a simple paid opportunity. Then we have the keyword gap analysis. Now it's once again simple. The top performing keywords are listed. You have your website and you have your comparator's website. All the rankings are being shown side by side, and you can easily compare what are the search volume, where do you stand, and what is the difficulty level. So this can help you to fine curate your content and your other SEO working capabilities. Then you can also import your keyword and then similarly import the comparators backlink and the keywords as well. So the purpose here is quite simple. So you have all the required information about the keyword, about the SEO metrics, about the backlinks right in front of you. All you need to do is just reverse engineering. It's very simple. For the backlinks that you don't have, just reach out to them. Try to build the backlinks. If you can for free, it's good. If you're not, then reach out to them for a link exchange. I would not recommend link exchange, but rather you can just reach out for the paid linking opportunities if you have the budget. For keyword gap areas, if you're ranking low on certain areas, rework on the content strategy. You can use a lot of the AI driven strategies. Do watch our previous AI driven videos as well. And last but not the least, for the other SEO metrics like the domain age or the spam factors, the domain authority, so you can definitely rework on your strategy. So the purpose here is not an SEO strategy but rather a template. This is something that you can also use for your client, and this would serve as the right benchmark from where you can start and keep on tracking Apple versus Apple week. Thanks for watching.